Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, and right now you have to go on the search pool and type here LED keyboard. We have to get this application. There's the full name of the app. It's from the X86 Studio, so we have to install. Let's open, click enable, select our keyboard, tap OK 2 times, go back and click select one more time and switch to our LED keyboard. Here we are in the settings of this keyboard and we are able to pick up the theme that we want to set up, and I'm going to show you my favorite, Unlimited. When you pick up your, click to save the keyboard, and after that when you are going to use your keyboard you will see that the theme has changed. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.